We are looking so pretty over here. Like, yo, I look really pretty. Soft. Like, even though it's like a lot of browns and dark colors. Well, it's not a lot of dark colors, but a lot of browns and blacks transitions. I don't know. I look like feminine. Other when I do cut creases, I love my cut. Don't get me wrong. I love my creative side, my cut creases and stuff like that. But when I do the non-cut crease, I just look more. I don't know. I just look more of me. You know what I'm saying? I really like it. I'm gonna start doing more of these looks. Let me know if y'all want me to start doing more of these looks. So this is like a messy, smoky eye, but applying glitter. So this is beginner series. I'm ending this series with this because there's nothing else that I know that I can teach you all. I went over everything I knew for beginners, and I think that once you watch those tutorials, you will get this. I'm telling you, you will get it. This is like the last step to dramatic, okay? Next session, okay? It's a smoky eye with just a messy smoky eye with glitter. And it's so pretty. It's a hair tutorial coming up after this, y'all. And then these lashes. Oh, I'm gagging over here. These lashes, y'all. These, excuse my nail. My nails came out. I'm gonna go get them done tomorrow. But these lashes are everything. I was gonna stack them, but I'm gonna order 2 more pair. She actually sent these to me. These are a different pair. These are Magenzu, and then these are Eco Miami. So I have on Eco Miami, and then these are Magenzus. I'm ready to get those lashes. These are beautiful. I love these lashes. I don't know, it just added that to this look. Like, I don't know, it's, girl, I'm bragging, and I need to stop so that you all can see this tutorial. So, and then stay tuned for the hair tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here. Don't forget to also click bell button. It's only going to send you notifications when I upload. That's all. So we are at 158. I think we're at 158,000 now. Somebody recreate this look. If you do, tag me in this. But I don't want to keep you waiting any longer. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Yeah. Ain't they? I just shave my shave my face, cut it up a little bit, but it's okay. Take my Hydro Face Mist, and I just did my eyebrows with Top Brow from Kiss Professional and Deep Dark Brown, and then I used nothing else. But I did use my concealer, which is MAC Prolong Concealer in C45, and also I went in with the Tarte Tarte Tape Shake Concealer in Tan Sand. You already know I like to go in with an extra concealer that's lighter than me to actually sculpt out my brows underneath. So now I'm about to go in with P.louise RUMOUR number 5 base. On my P.louise palette, and I'm gonna grab Bestie, which is this dark shade right here. So we're gonna do the reverse method again. I don't know, for some reason I like doing this method. It's way better. So I'm gonna take my 167 brush from Morphe, and we're just gonna pack that on. I have to take my MAC 221 brush, which is the tiniest brush. So always remember, when you go from reverse, you always use the tiniest brushes, and then when you go from the other way, use big to tiny. So I'm gonna go in with a darker brown, something darker than this. It's Old Brick. Going with Autumn Sunset for the last transition, and I'm going to go in with the E17. And I'm going to take my Jaclyn Vogue collection, and I'm going to go in to the Dark Matter palette, which is this one. And I'm going to grab this black right here. Alright, so that open space that I have, I'm going to apply white. And this is Makeup Addiction. It's Broke. I'm going to grab that white shimmer shade. This is from the Volume 1 Glow palette. So it's actually a highlighter palette. I'm about to place this on my lids. So I'm going to place this, and I'm going all the way to the top. So don't worry, you're going to put glitter on top of this. The only thing I hate when they do this with that shimmer. You get on the brown. Yeah, so I basically completed the whole face. Okay, but it's not like, okay girl, you overdid it. It's pretty to me. Face, I use Clinique's Beyond Perfecting, what is this, 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Beyond, wait no, I lied, 26 Amber. I went in with Urban Decay All Nighter. I actually did order another foundation, which is 11. Mix both of them together. I'm going to put 11 on the outer perimeters, and then 11 in the center, and then this on the outer perimeters. Highlight, but first let me dust off this powder on my face because there's some left over, and we're going to dust that off. If I actually go in and start spraying my face, the powder is going to dissolve in my face and it's going to leave it's not going to look cute. And spray. I'm actually going to spray my wide fire brush. I know I've been using this for highlight now because I don't know, those fan brushes was making it look streaky, so I like my highlight to look like it's soaked into the skin, so that's what I want to do. I did end up going with POSMETICS highlighter in bELHEIR. I'm about to go on my Morphe and we're about to contour this face. Take this blush right here. It's like a highlighter blush. That's why I love doing my lower lash line. It just looks like, it just makes my eyes look smaller. But I went in with LA Girls Shockwave eyeliner in the shade Blackout. Now I didn't say it because my microphone was down there, but I'm about to smoke this out even more. Well, I'm about to set the black first. Going in with Old Brick, and I'm smoking it out under there. And this brush is my E36 brush. Yes, smoke that black out. Lips, we're going to keep it very simple. I'm just going to add some Chestnut Lipliner, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add a nude lip. to use Anastasia Ashton lipstick, liquid lipstick. I haven't used this in a long time because I don't want it too low. I just want it there, blend it in more with Chestnut, just to make it look like more of a natural lip, basically. I try. With the diamond gloss, yeah. On top of this, oh, do y'all see that? Come on, Riri. It could be like her holiday collection or something. Fenty's Beauty, How Many Carats? Oh, okay. And it's like a diamond dust. I'm just gonna basically put it right here. Put some on my cheeks. So that's it. I'm about to go do a tutorial on my hair, and I'll be right back. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Nonetheless, then I hope that you understood this look, y'all. This look was fairly easy to do, very quick. I always say these looks are very quick to do because it's just like you slapping on the shadow, the transitions be smooth, then you just slap on that lid color. You don't have to cut it or anything to be precise. It's just like it's just a look. You get to go follow me on all social media sites. They will be linked right here. You get to click down in the description right below to get the products to this look. And until then, I'll see you guys on another slay video.